So conjugation we did, like for lernen, we did the conjugation. I'll do a quick recap for this. Let's say with ish, which is equivalent to I, we always add a E ending, which is being highlighted with the orange color. Do means you informal when you are talking to one person, we add a ending as ST. LCS or man, we'll do the ending T. And with V, which is called as wir in German, we add a ending as EN. Ear, which means you all, plural, informal, we add a ending T again. And ZZ, which means they all or you all, formal, it will be EN ending. This is how we did the conjugation for lernen verb, which means to learn. Spielen means to play, kommen means to come, and wohnen means to live or to stay. These are the four verb conjugation, regular verb conjugations that we did in the last lesson plan. Moving further, here is the conjugation of spielen, kommen, and wohnen verb. I'll again pronounce it for your ease. Please follow after me. Ich spiele. See, there is a E ending. Du spielst. Sie spielen. Sie spielt. Wir spielen. Ihr spielt. Sie spielen. Spielen means to play. So you cannot pronounce it as spiles because then nobody would understand. It is spielen, IE combination. The sound will be E. Coming forward to kommen. Kommen means to come. So it will be ich komme. Du kommst. Es kommt. Wir kommen. Ihr kommt. Sie kommen. Similar way, wohnen. Wohnen means to live or to stay. Ich wohne. Du wohnst. Sie wohnen. Es wohnt. Wir wohnen. Ihr wohnt. Sie wohnen. So this, in these endings, you actually need to learn. The verbs can change. The irregular verbs we will keep on adding to the list. But you need to remember this format, what you add in which, with which personal pronoun. It is important. Also, we did W words yesterday, wherein we learned some word meanings when we ask questions. Let's say how is we in German? It is not why, it is we. If you will pronounce wrongly, then other person cannot understand what you intend to say. So we is how. Was is what. So this is not was, although the spelling is same, so you might think it's was, but the pronunciation is what, and this means the pronunciation is what, was, and which means what, was. What is the pronunciation? Warum means why. Wann means when. Where is wo, and where from is woher. It is not woher, it is woher. And who is where? Where. It is not war. So we, was, warum, wann, wo, woher, and where. I repeat, you have to follow after me now. We, was, warum, wann, wo, woher, Where. Moving further, we also did the conjugation of a very important verb and commonly used, which is haben. It means to have. Haben is the verb. So, ich habe. Du hast. Er hat. Wir haben. Ihr habt. And sie haben. Moving further, here is the conjugation of another important verb which means to have. Which means to be. We have done it. Like when you want to say I have, you will say ich habe, but when you want to say I am, you will say ich bin. So here you can see ich habe, I have, ich bin, I am. That is the difference between these two verbs. You are informal is du bist. Although when you want to say you have, which you will say du hast. As yes, hat, which means he, she, it has. For this verb, it will be he, she, it is, which means is. East you will use as a verb conjugation. When you want to say Z, capital Z, see it's written below, Sie haben. So, for sein verb, you will say Sie sind. That means you are. It was you have. This is you are. So I'm doing a quick comparison for you so that you can make out which verb to use when. So this verb is the sein verb which you will use to say I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, we are, you all are. And this haben verb you will use when you want to say that you possess something, you have something. I have, he has, she has, he has, we have, they have, you all have. So moving further, so it will be ich bin, which means I am. You are informal, du bist. You are formal, sie sind. He, she, it is, es, ist. We are, wir sind. You all are, which is informal, ihr seid. You are formal, sie sind. And they are also sie sind. You are formal again, S will be in capital, and this I will also be in capital of ear. And it was ich habe, du hast, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. So this we have already done, but these verbs you will require a lot when you are making sentences. So you have to learn sein and haben form thoroughly. Thoroughly means on tips. It should be on your tips. And also you need to take care of the pronunciation.